Oh my god. It is raining out there. In the UK. In England. It had also had a flash of lightning. Including the lamppost I got to come right on. There. Window's so wet. Oh my god. Can hear all that. And there was lightning twice. But I'm not sure if you guys are gonna see it again. That's for sure. But when it was heavy rain, alright. And it certainly has made the place look darker. That's why the lamppost lights are on. Big time heavy rain. Looks like a light over there, but around here it's kind of dark. Around that area, mate. Around that area. Pretty dark. Through the windows, it's all wet. It looks wet out there through this window. Everything's wet. In my neighborhood, it's all wet. You can literally hear all that. If I just open the window, you guys can hear so much. Yeah, you guys can hear that? Pure rain, mate. Pure rain. Pure rain. I swear now, that is pure rain. Pure rain. No wonder our lamppost lights were on. Pure heavy rain, people. And seems like the rain's coming down and stopping from all that. So I'll end my video here and I'll see you all later. Bye.